Hi, it's HardReset, and today I'll show you how to check the temperature on Dell 7320 Detachable. So first, open the browser and type in Core Temp. Now, click the first link and click download. After it is downloaded, open the file. Okay, click yes. Next. Accept the agreement. Next. Start the game from the icon on your desktop. Okay. Install. Next. Finish. And as you can see in here, there should be a temperature right in here. As you can see, all the cores temperatures are in here. That's it. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.